morning. We are today in Grave di Stecca. We have just started to harvest. You see here we still have the grapes on the vines, the Glera grape. Grave di Stecca is in the center of Valdobbiadene town, and it's also quite near to San Floriano Hill. It's just 500 meters far from here. We were harvesting there yesterday, and today we will finish in our own vineyard, in our own estate. Grave di Stecca was the first vineyard bought in the history of the family by my father Primo in the early 90s. It's a property where we have 2.4 hectares of vineyard, and the rest is the park, is the house, there is the house of my parents, and there is our relay. Today the workers are working to harvest vintage 2020. This is Villa Barberina, our relay in the property of Grave di Stecca. Whenever you will come to visit us, we will welcome you here and we will toast together with a bottle of Grave di Stecca. Cheers!